Lesson 104.
Ich helfe.
Lately, we've been talking about stem-changing verbs. That is, verbs that have a stem that is not the same in every form. And so we have a new verb for this lesson we want to teach you, and that's the verb that means to help someone. And as you examine the different forms of this verb, notice that sometimes the stem is going to be H-E-L-F, and sometimes it's going to be H-I-L-F. Lisa, etymologically, this verb has to be related to our English word for help, right?
I would think so too, yes. The P and the F sound.
It's just too similar.
Mm-hmm. So, in my studies, sometimes the lecturers would say that the verb is kind of the king of a sentence because it would tell you what little underlings it needs, which partners. So usually a verb, of course, needs a subject, right? And then very often you have verbs that need a subject and a direct object. Like to read, I read a book. You would want to put that. And here, like we said in the chapter before, we have a verb that actually asks for an indirect object. So if you just say, I help, it's kind of an incomplete sentence. You want to know, who are we helping? And in German, that's the dative case.
So if the verb is the king of the sentence, here it's demanding the dative. It's like, give me the dative case.
Exactly. And if you look at geben, for example, which we heard earlier, to give, you would have the subject again, of course. You would kind of ask, what am I giving? But also, who am I giving it to? So it kind of asks for both.
Geben Sie mir das Dativ.
Den Dativ, but yes.
Oh, sorry, I was trying to be funny. The king in German is König, right?
Right.
When I was in music school, we studied Schumann. He wrote a piece called The Elf King, the Elfkönig,
Yes.
I believe is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but. So if I want to say, give me the dative case, I'd say, geben Sie mir den Dativ.
Yes. That's it.
Okay. So that's the king of the sentence demanding the dative case. Why can't the verb be the queen of the sentence?
I guess it could be. Yes, I like that. Let's call it the queen.
Okay.